How about you, Mr.
I would
T?
give $13.99.
Wow. $13.99.
You know why?
Why?
Because the thing is, like, I like.
Halo teman-teman semua, balik lagi di BNay Channel. Nah teman-teman, apa kabarnya nih? Semoga teman-teman baik-baik aja dan selalu tetap dalam lindungannya dan selalu bahagia. Nah kalau ngobrolin masak makanan Indonesia teman-teman itu nggak ada habisnya ya kan? Bayangin dong dari Sabang sampai Merauke kita tuh ya ampun kaya akan cita rasa. Tadinya tuh aku pengen aduh masakin apa nih ya buat teman-teman aku, masakin rawon nggak ya, masakin soto Makassar nggak ya, atau masakin ayam taliwang nggak ya, atau banyak banget kan ya teman-teman. Nah cuman memang kendalanya kadang itu adalah di bumbu-bumbunya. Nah misalnya tadi aku kepikiran pengen bikin rawon ya teman-teman, pas ngecek di resep, oh ternyata pakai keluak. Nah aku kan nggak punya keluaknya, terus itu jadi aku nggak bisa bikinnya gitu. But don't worry teman-teman, aku selalu usahakan untuk menemukan bumbu-bumbunya, tapi mungkin next time gitu videonya. Nah untuk kali ini jadi aku kepikirannya pengen masak masakan andalannya mamah aku. Mamanya teman-teman punya masakan andalan nggak? Apa tuh masakan andalannya? Kalau mama aku, masakan andalannya itu gulai ayam. Nah, jadi aku ingat banget dulu teman-teman waktu aku masih kecil, mama aku tuh kalau misalnya gajian atau kalau misalnya ada yang ulang tahun, aku ulang tahun atau misalnya papa atau siapapun di rumah, mama selalu bikin gulai ayam. Karena si cowok-cowok itu mereka semua bukannya lagi diet, tapi memang selalu pay attention sama apa makanan asupan mereka. Karena Bo, Tiago, Alex, dan Nick mereka semua itu nge-gym teman-teman. Jadi mereka nggak mau makan asal-asal daging. Karena itu gulainya hari ini aku bakal bikin dari dada ayam. Nah ini udah nggak ada kulitnya teman-teman. Nah mereka udah request kalau masak ayam tolong bagian dadanya, karena di sini kan memang proteinnya yang paling tinggi. Nah aku kasih sih, aku beli bagian dada ayam, cuman aku bakal campur pakai ampela. Jadi bakal jadi gulai ayam ampela. So we'll see teman-teman, apakah mereka bakal makan ampelanya atau disisihkan di piring. So aku penasaran. Nah teman-teman, ini bumbunya. Jadi ini daun salam aku dari Indonesia, ya ampun ini udah stoknya udah mau habis, ntar harus beli lagi. Ini jintan, kalau bahasa Inggrisnya cumin. Terus kelapa, bawang merah, terus ini batang serai, bawang putih, ini jahe, lengkuas, terus kurkuma, kunyit, dan daun jeruknya ada di kulkas. Terus ini koriander, kalau nggak salah ini ketumbar deh kalau di ininya. Yeah, so let's cook guys. It feels like shooting. So welcome back to BNay Channel and still with the boys. And now we have food in front of you guys. So anyone can guess what's that?
Chicken curry. Something that's very yellow.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. Turmeric, yeah, it's really correct. This is my mom's favorite cook. So anytime we a dish, sorry, my mom's favorite dish. Nick was right. It made from turmeric. So you know turmeric roots. Yeah, it's very orangey and that gives the color. I think I made it really from scratch.
Ooh.
So everything is from scratch. That's why it took me like 1,000. Do you have parsley? And it's a lot of herbs in there, like all different. kind of spicy. So
Yeah, I can.
and then the green thing is the parsley with the fried onion. So selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, I don't make it spicy. This is because Tiago doesn't like spicy food, guys.
Chicken.
It's adjusting to Tiago. And it's hot. Oh, I was so worried it's gonna be like cold. That's why I thought, Pasi, hurry up. It's hot, spicy.
Oh no, it's not hot like fire. No.
It's
Not hot,
spicy.
spicy. No, not spicy.
Oh no, okay.
It's like hot, like oh my god. It's like smoke. But it's good though.
Oh, I'm happy. I don't know, guys, if you like notice, some of you get the gizzard. You eat gizzard?
Yeah, I love it. Gizzard? Like,
It's from the chicken.
Oh.
From the intestine.
oh.
Yes.
I can eat it. I don't mind.
Basti?
I don't like it. I don't have
Once
it.
again, Basti, of course. You
I
eat
have got
sus-
one.
Oh, give it to me,
You
Ramon.
can, sorry.
Yeah, I don't know if I have. I don't know.
He
I
has
will-
it.
I will
He
see.
has
Oh, I have.
You want it, Alex? I have more. You
No,
want
no,
more?
it's fine. You like it. But Basti, you like it.
Yeah.
Where is it?
There.
This is all chicken. Oh, this one.
You can tell which one is
Yeah,
that.
Mama.
I shouldn't tell. No, you eat that. You try.
Oh, yeah, try
Okay.
it. It's not bad at all.
Oh,
Okay,
there's
I will eat
another
half.
one
Okay,
here.
you get the other half if you want.
No, if you like it, eat it. It's good.
No, I don't like
This
it.
was chilling and it's like,
Come on, you just wanted to take it.
yeah.
And now, like the whole thing, and now I
He's
have to eat
saying
everything.
until the beginning, I don't like it. I don't like it. No, but if you like, I don't like it.
But oh, you like it? Okay, keep it. It's okay.
You keep it. You don't have to know.
Beast mode activate. Really, really good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Normally, if you cook with like other part of chicken, the fat from the chicken gives it more taste, right? But because it's on chicken breast, I'm
It's
sorry I didn't know
healthy.
you're vegetarian.
Oh, it's okay.
But it's healthier now.
You have to, for sure.
But it's good though. Because the breast is usually like the problem of like chicken breast is that like
Can get dry.
you get dry, but it's not
This
dry.
is juicy.
Juicy, yeah, it's good.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh wow.
As a kid, I never liked gizzards. You know, I never liked it. But it's been so long since my mom prepared it for me that I like completely forgot about it.
All right,
And I had it there. I was like, this is delicious. Oh wait,
it's a gizzard.
I just translated it to my own language. This is a thing I do not like.
Like oh my god,
That's good.
Oh, thank you so much.
it's good. Man.
Yep.
Mom, you didn't prepare it properly. That's why I didn't like it.
Since when are you vegetarian?
Yesterday.
I just said it when I was coming up the elevator. I think I'm gonna be vegetarian.
I think I'm gonna be vegetarian today, and I'm like, it's like I did chicken. Shit.
I think it was the moment when she said the chicken looks horrible. That's
Yeah, the chicken looks like I'm
You know what?
vegetarian.
I'm vegetarian.
Sugar, she's serving gizzard. And now you have to kind of stick with that story, right?
I've been vegetarian for the last 8 years.
Oh, 8.
Wow,
Wow.
that's a lot.
That's a lot of years.
Yeah.
So what I think about the food is good. I feel like the flavor was actually like really fresh. Like especially the chicken was actually really good because the thing is like I know that you guys like use like the whole chicken like you said, but since you do like a healthy version for us, just chicken breast, the chicken breast was actually really like juicy, which is hard to do because it usually gets dry in it. But like the chicken was good. I like the rice. I like the like condiment itself. Like it's actually like funny fact is that like this plate goes really well with like the appetizer, like the.
Oh yeah.
That one's
Maybe so,
actually like
so
it was
that's
like
true.
a good like combination, like because that one was like kind of like I'm not gonna say heavy, but it was like more like crunchy, good, and this is more like it's not that much crunchiness, but it's like really good. I think like both together they'll be really great actually.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
true actually.
They actually having like that one on the
together.
side, like to eat, to
Yeah.
have the crunchiness, and like you can eat the rice
Yeah.
with like the chicken.
Yeah.
That'll be like,
That's a good idea.
yeah.
I
It
heard
was so good that I felt like I ate at a fancy restaurant. The rice itself absorbed the turmeric like sauce,
Yeah.
and it just made it like extremely nice and creamy. The chicken was delicious, nice and soft, not too dry
Oh.
at all. Zero.
Oh.
Yeah, this one.
Gizzards I used to hate as a kid,
Oh, gizzard,
but I
yeah.
haven't tasted it for over, I say 8 years or 10 years.
You're right.
That's how long my mom hasn't cooked it for. I love gizzards now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you said
Thumbs
it.
up.
No, thank you so much.
So yeah, I think you guys already said everything that I totally agree with that it was like a delicious meal. I love the color of it with the turmeric. It looked very appealing. The chicken was very soft and juicy, very good. And yeah, what caught me a little bit off guard was the gizzard. I didn't see it first because it was all covered in the turmeric. It was very yellow like the rest of the meat. So after I found one, I put it at the side so that I don't eat it accidentally. But there was another one hidden inside, which I only noticed after while I was eating it. But yeah, it was okay. It was not that bad as I thought. So it was a little bit more chewy than the rest of the chicken. But overall, it was a delicious meal.
Thank you.
I really liked it as well, and I think it goes really good with what we had before.
It was very so nice.
Yeah, because what we had first, it was like not heavy, but makes you feel full, and I really like it with like the crispy onions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like a really good touch of flavor, like everything mixed,
Yeah.
and when you bite them, it's like crunchy.
Yeah. Yeah. Like.
Well, what should I say? They already said everything, right? And he looks like a judge. Overall, I think it was so great. It was fresh as well as, I don't know if you said that, but it was delicious, and it was like this was like a compliment with the other. The roll that we have, yeah.
The roll.
I believe they match perfectly together, and I really love every time you cook this combination with crunchy stuff like these crispy red onions. I love that, and I love the gizzards too. So.
Oh, the gizzard, I noticed because
I
you ate a
know.
lot from that.
Yeah, in Mexico, back home, my mom every time she cooked chicken soup. Yeah, we were fighting for the gizzards too. My mom needed to buy an extra. Well, in Mexico, you don't need to buy that. They give it to you.
Oh, they give it to
free.
you for free.
Yeah, but
Thank you so much, guys. Really mean a lot.
$12 in a restaurant.
Who cares?
Like a meal, just these or with the appetizers, or
Okay, let's put the appetizer.
like all together the appetizers and these like 15 or 16.
Wow, that's a lot. Cool.
She loved the appetizers, and like it was a lot of rice, so
Yeah.
and then the chicken and everything. I would say like solid 15.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
I would say this as a combination, as in the combination price. So it would be like this rice, the chicken, the crunchy onion, and one of the rolls, and I would sell it for maybe $13.50.
$13.50. Good. Yeah.
$9.50.
$9.50.
But
Yeah.
only $9.50 because he said that you can get gizzards for free. So it would be a 10 for me, but
Not in
apparently
America.
gizzards are
You
free.
can do a lot. You can like.
So I'm gonna give it a $9.50.
Yeah.
I would give $13.99.
$13.99.
You know why?
Why?
Because the thing is, like, I like Vietnamese food, right? I always go like those like Vietnamese places. It's usually the same amount of food, but then like this one, I think it's like better. Kind of. Yeah, like it has more flavor because the other one is more plain. This has more flavor. So I would say like $13.99, $14.99, like. Because they always put the 99 cents. Let's go like $13.99, $14.99.
Cool.
Yeah, and then it's like 20 bucks. Like, tax. back. They're like, Jesus Christ.
You see it on the menu like $9.99, and then you end up paying like, oh, it's gonna be 13. You're like, oh, what happened?
The tags.
I asked why.
Yeah, I have 10, that's it. I can't pay anymore. Enough for it, and thank you.
$9.50 on sale.
Cool, that's nice. So maybe if I like open a stand, then I know how to put the price on it. Cool, thank you guys.
Put this stand up.